Welcome back to Ask the Edmonds Cop. I'm Teresa Whipple. Sergeant Shane Hawley, it is tax season.
It is.
And so that means that we see some victims of tax fraud, and we seem
Yes,
we
we do.
seem to talk about this fairly frequently. Sadly, it is an ongoing issue. So what can people do? I guess what are the issues that usually are related to tax fraud, and what can people do to not be a victim?
Gotcha. So the first thing is around this time of year, we see a spike in mail theft. And I think we've done a segment before, or at least I have, related to fraud.
Yep.
And one of the number one ways you become a fraud victim is through your mailbox.
Yeah.
So the mail theft spike, everybody's getting important tax-related documents from work, investments, whatever the case may be. And, take a look through some of those sometimes, and you'll be shocked at the amount of personal information that they send via mail to you.
Yeah.
So it makes it a lot easier to victimize someone and make them an identity theft victim.
Okay. So a locking mailbox or P.O. box or something
Sure.
besides just an open mailbox that people can rifle through probably.
Yeah, and both really good recommendations. If you have important, investment information coming that you need to record for your taxes, maybe call them and have it sent to work if you don't have one of those options. Or if you know the date that they're coming, you're going to be at work, maybe, for a few week period of time, your neighbor who doesn't work can, when they see the mailman, they can go out, get your mail and hold it for you.
Okay.
We just mailbox security.
Right. Perfect.
But if you do become a tax fraud victim, when you go to file your tax return and the IRS says you've already filed your tax return, yeah, that's kind of a big red flag that you're an identity theft victim.
Yeah.
So, but we want you to call us.
Okay. Right. So good tips to know. And as always, call 911 if you have any questions or concerns. The police are here to help. Thanks for joining us, and we'll be back again soon with another episode of Ask the Edmonds Cop.